Welcome back. Day 18, 30 days, 30 opals. Got this nice triplet glued up and ready to go. So let's knock the excess off the outside edges and get it shaped. Here we go. Alright, I'm pretty sure I've got some black that's exposed on this side, so let's get rid of some of this cap. See what we've got to take off from the electric. Alright, yep, there's some that's got to go away. Okay, that looks like that'll about do it. We'll even this up. Alright, let's move over to the next wheel and find the shape. Roll that from the outside edges up. Around them corners just a touch. Alright, we're ready to go to the next wheel. That nice green color shining. Big old broad flash, that's what I was excited about this piece for. Alright, let's move to the next wheel. These little little crystal caps don't take a lot to get them to polish up. There's not a lot there. So this is kind of nice. Excellent for fast little opals. Okay, and here we go. Look at that big old green flash. A big old broad flash right across the top of that. As pretty as can be. You hit the sides of it, you can get a little bit of a blue and a little pink, but man, that green just dominates the top of this opal. Pretty as can be. All right, here we go. Day 18 of 30 days, 30 opals. Appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate you giving it a thumbs up if you liked it. And go ahead and share it with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I hope that you enjoyed this content and don't want to miss the next one. So we'll see you tomorrow. Appreciate you guys. Thanks.